Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, my friends. I'm Khushi Kumar. I'm from second sem, and I'm going to doing the activity of imparting knowledge. And my topic is monetization. First of all, we have to know what is demonetization. Is the monetary step which is taken by the government. And what is the demonetization is defined by the Investopedia. It is the stripping of currency of status and ₹1,000 the legal tender from this currency, and they are
What happened?
Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, my all friends. I am Khushi Kumari, and I am the student of BCom second sem. I'm doing the activity of imparting knowledge, and my topic is demonetization. First of all, what is demonetization? Demonetization is a monetary step taken by the central government in India, and demonetization is defined in the Investopedia. It's stripping of currency as status as a legal tender. For example, ₹500 and ₹1,000. When remove legal tender from this, there is no value acquired in the market. When we go for purchasing something, ₹500 and 1,000, then it is not valid. It is invalid, and there is no value of ₹500 and 1,000 rupees. There are two types of demonetization. First one is demonetization is when old currency replaced totally and new currency issued from RBI from this place. For example, 5 rupees and 1,000 rupees currency is fully demonetized, and on the place of their ₹2,000 rupees is issued by RBI. And another demonetization is ₹100 rupees is two types of. One is old 100 rupees, and second is the new 100 rupees. And this is the second type of demonetization. And the second question is arise that what is the main purpose of demonetization? What is the motive of demonetization in our economy? So there are main reason is that curbing of black money in the economy and stop illegal activity. And economic is want to create a cashless economic. All the digital payment is occur in the economic. So there is the main reason is curbing black money and to eradicate the corruption. It means they remove the corruption from the economy. So second question is third question is arise that monetization occur when the monetization. So in 2016, 8 November, demonetization is occurred. PM Narendra Modi ji is declared 8 PM on 8 November 2016. It enforces from 9 November on 12. On this enforces full over the India, and he declared that ₹500 and 1,000 rupees is all submitted in the bank, and exchange of this all the people get the new rupees of 2,000 rupees. And there is a time limit also mentioned 30 December. This is the last date of submitting the rupees. So fourth question is arise that who declared demonetization in the economy. So in our economic central government, one and only Narendra Modi ji as our in since 2014, he declared the decision is of only central government. And another question is arise that where did demonetization occur? Demonetization is occur in our economic, in our country. And uh, another question is arise that demonetization is a short process or long process. So answer is it is a long process because demonetization occurred before this. Government also take up time, strategies and plan. So what is the plan and strategies of the government? First of all, when the so central government order to the largest sector bank, which is the SBI, and he ordered to SBI because he government want to know that what is the impact of this demonetization in our economy, what is the strategies we have to take in. And government also ordered to RBI before 6 to 4 months occurring the demonetization. He ordered to RBI to issuing new notes and new bank notes in the place of old currency. And we have also analyzed that is demonetization first time occur in 2016? So answer is no. Demonetization is also occurring in our past. In the year of 1946, there is a higher denomination of demonetized money, and these notes are 10,000 and 1,000. And on this time, there is a higher denomination currency is available in the economy. So inflation, government demonetized this time, and not for in 1946. It also 54 demonetization occurred, and 1978 is also demonetization occurred. And the another question is arises that is demonetization occur in India or India only also? No, the answer is no. In there, the Zimbabwe is a country where demonetization is occurred and happened, and in this country government did this for controlling and combating inflation in the economy. So what is the advantages and disadvantages of demonetization? Pros and cons of demonetization. So first one is track of uncounted cash. Second one is to stop illegal activities. Third one is increase tax evasion. It means increase the government revenue, so government expenditure is increased in our economy and in our country. So what is the disadvantage and cons of what is the disadvantage and cons of demonetization? So there are following disadvantages. First one is chaos in the middle class people, poor class people, and the invested in the economy. And second is the middle class people is badly affected from demonetization because the unavailability of the cash, and uh, they are not serving properly without cash, and their lifestyle is totally disturbed. Is there is a curbing of black money and handle of black money after applying demonetization? The answer is no. Black money is money in our country. And
What happened, Kushi? The internet is not working over. And Suyash, why only Kushi is making a presentation? What about the others?
Economics and
Now the second activity, which will be vocabulary quiz, will be done by first of all Sanskar.
No. Who is coordinating the vocabulary quiz?
Ma'am, this is another type of vocabulary quiz, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, but who is coordinating? You. Start.
Hello everyone. I am Sanskar and an activity class of vocabulary quiz of idioms and phrase. So my first question is from Swiss. Swiss. मैं डिफिनेट हो गया?
Sanskar, continue.
So yes, my first question is idiom. A white elephant. What is the meaning of this?
Property which is of no.
Okay, good. My second question is from Akash. Akash, please tell the meaning of a green thumb.
Person who likes gardening.
Good. My second question is from Kushi. Yellow Valley.
Sanskar, you could have come up with a PPT, no? Because we do not know what you're talking about. The word should be clear, no? It should be in the
Okay.
slide.
My fourth question is from Manish.
Yes. What is
My
question?
fourth question from you is a black sheep. What's the meaning of black sheep in idioms?
Repeat again.
The meaning of black sheep.
I
It
think
is
it's
very
black
nice
sheep
to
or
me.
black sheep. Please be very careful of your vowels. Is it black sheep or black sheep? What?
Vishu.
So you're not giving me the score. Who's got how much? Who is scoring what? It should be in the scoreboard, no? This is the quiz. Show the scoreboard. Show the
Okay,
slide.
Manish get 0. And then I pass from the Nikita. Nikita, please tell me what is the meaning of black sheep?
Repeat again, Sanskar.
I said, what is the meaning of a black sheep?
A disgrace in a family.
Okay. Nikita get 1. Okay, fine. My fifth question is Phil Blue from Adi. Others. What's the meaning of Phil Blue? Phil Blue. I said, what's the meaning of Phil Blue? You're not getting it?
I'm not getting the question.
Oh, I said, what is the meaning of a Phil Blue?
Blue. To feel good. Satisfied.
What? What is it?
To feel sad.
Okay, you're right. You're right. Okay, Vishu, what's the meaning of in black and white? In idioms?
In writing.
Okay. This is finished. Now I am try my question in phrase. Okay. My first question is from the phrases. Okay, Sachin, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me the meaning of first. I nearly died of embarrassment.
मैं लगभग शर्म से मर ही गया था.
Okay, you are right. First, sorry, Nikita.
Yes.
Nikita, tell me the meaning. Take my words for it.
मुझसे लिखता
Yes.
Wait a minute. Can you please repeat your question?
Yes. My question is from the phrase. Take my words for it. What's the meaning of this?
मुझसे लिखवा के रख लो.
Say it. Okay, my third question is from Pussy. Pussy, tell me what have you been? What is it been up to from the phrase? Okay, Pussy disconnected now. Rishu, tell me the meaning of what have you been up to?
Please repeat the question, Sanskar.
I said, what is the meaning of what have you been up to? From phrase.
इतने दिन से कहाँ हो भाई?
Okay. My fourth question is from the Manish Kumar. Manish, please take the question from can't complain. Can't complain. Can't complain.
सब कुछ ठीक है.
Good. Okay, my fifth question is from Manish. Please. Manisha, sorry. Manisha. Manisha, tell me the question. How lucky you? How lucky you from the phrase? How lucky you? Don't know. It's okay. Okay, Manisha got 0. Sachin, tell me the meaning of how lucky you.
मतलब कितने किस्मत वाले हो.
Okay, Sachin got 1.
Thank you.
No, my sixth question is from the Suez. Suez is very kind of you.
Can you please repeat the question?
Yes, my question is, it's very kind of you on the phrase.
धन्यवाद कहने की कोशिश करना.
Okay. The next one is for others. Others, tell me the meaning of don't take it too hard. Don't take it too hard.
It means दिल पर मत ले.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, that's all for today's activity.
All right.
What now?
Okay, that's good. But involve more people, and the vocabulary quiz was good, but he should have come up with the slides, no? Slides and the scoreboard and everything. And if he's involving everybody, he should come up with who scored the most. So activities like quiz or any kind of presentation which you're giving, like even demonetization about Narayan Murthy or about Azim Premji, whatever. Always come up, support your presentation with PowerPoint presentation. Okay. PPT is always helpful. Otherwise, good. And yeah, you are in the initial stages. Teething problems will be there, but then people are improving, and good that Sanskar took up this. Otherwise, I thought he would never come up with anything productive. That's good, but and yeah, involve more people in your class. Like
Okay, ma'am.
Kushi is one person; she's always up to it, and you and Kushi involve more people so that there should be complete uniformity, and people should coordinate at least 4 different events. Otherwise, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.